Good day, Liberators. Today is Friday, the 19th of November 2021. I just would like to give a quick summary of where we are, where we're heading to, and what's going on with all our cases. Firstly, the African Union. Our complaint was lodged a couple of weeks back. Since the 15th of November, we've been participating also in the 69th Ordinary Session of the African Commission on Human and People's Rights. The good thing is that many African countries, human rights organizations have informed the Commission that there's a big problem with human rights abuses in enforcing all these lockdown measures. So it's an African problem and not only restricted to South Africa. Therefore, if there's one organization who can really do something about these things, it's the African Union. We've been pressurizing the African Union's secretary to kindly seize our matter, our complaint, even though it was only recently submitted. Also on the session, due to the fact that it is so urgent and also affect all other countries all through the continent. So we will keep you up to date. It's going on, and yes, we have been informed that one of our other cases will be tabled for seizure during this commission, during this session. That will be during the private session that will be held sometime next week. So we will keep you informed, and we're very optimistic that that case, also involving judicial corruption, will be seized, and like the other one we already have, and the African Commission will definitely investigate it. Then the other matter, Equality Court. We've had our first Equality Court hearing yesterday. It's in connection with a COVID-19 discrimination against a doctor by a well-known hospital group in South Africa. We are very happy with the outcome of the first hearing, as the judge allocated to the case, it has been enrolled in the Equality Court sitting at the High Court in Cape Town, where the judge have given us the opportunity to also file a replying affidavit, which usually is not allowed in the Equality Court. So that is a very good thing. The case is proceeding, and it will definitely set a precedent for future cases regarding COVID-19 discrimination. Then the other matter, the protected disclosures that we are working with. Protected disclosures are all complaints relating to COVID-19 forced vaccination policies that are currently implemented in South Africa. We've got about now roughly 60 odd cases, active cases that we are working on. And when I say active cases, we physically do correspondence and communication directly with the employer. So it's hands-on. We don't only leave it to the employee to face. We are there holding the hand of the employee, and that is everything. We do all this free of charge, not expecting anything in return. So that is irrespective that since the lockdown started way back in March last year, roughly we've dealt with around roughly about 30,000 queries and assistance that we gave. So Liberty Fighters Network has been very, very busy, and that is irrespective of the self-help criteria that platforms that we have on our website, and which we've also implemented on WhatsApp and so forth. So many thousands of people have been assisted by Liberty Fighters Network fighting the lockdown. And then our other cases, we've got eviction cases. We've got cases where banks want to repossess houses and vehicles because the people couldn't pay the installments anymore as a result of the lockdown itself. So we are assisting several of those cases as well. So Liberty Fighters Network is all over the show, and we also attend to helping people every single day. We have a helpline. It's 012-023-1976, and for that matter, people can kindly phone us anytime from 9 o'clock in the morning up till 4 o'clock in the afternoon, weekdays. We don't answer it over public holidays and weekends. So, but that is a number that you can also dial to get hold of us. If you like what we are doing, we are asking you that please consider a voluntary donation of your choice to us. We don't have any secret investor backing us. We are totally independent. We are not aligned to any other network of whatsoever kind at this stage. Although we do support the efforts of similar organizations, we are remaining as an independent organization for you. So in that respect, please consider helping us to help you to fight this fight against all these human rights abuses we are all facing. Thank you very much for each and every one of you who have donated before and continue doing so. Thank you very much for just writing an email to us or making a comment on one of our social media posts to just say thank you. We really appreciate it. Without you, we cannot do what we are doing. So this is a teamwork, and thank you very much for all your support. Have a nice day. Until next week when I give you another feedback. Stay safe. God bless.